Welcome back to another incredible restoration project. Today, we're bringing a damaged Lamborghini back to life. Once a symbol of speed, luxury, and performance, this supercar has seen better days. The body is covered in scratches and dents. Years of wear have taken away its original shine. The paint is faded, the wheels are dirty, and several parts show signs of damage. But by the end of this restoration, this Lamborghini will look brand new again. The process begins with a complete inspection. Every panel, every component, and every detail is carefully examined. The team identifies damaged areas and prepares a restoration plan. Next, the car is disassembled. The bumper, mirrors, lights, wheels, and other exterior parts are removed. This allows us to access every damaged section of the vehicle. With the body stripped down, the cleaning process begins. Years of dirt and grime are washed away. The true condition of the Lamborghini is finally revealed. Several panels require repair. Dents are carefully removed and imperfections are corrected. The body is then sanded to create a smooth surface. Every inch of the car receives attention. Once the preparation is complete, a high-quality primer is applied. This creates the perfect foundation for the new paint. Now comes one of the most exciting parts of the restoration. The Lamborghini enters the paint booth. Fresh layers of paint are applied with precision. Slowly, the supercar begins to regain its stunning appearance. The glossy finish reflects light beautifully. After the paint cures, attention shifts to the wheels. The rims are cleaned, restored, and refinished. New tires are installed to complete the look. Next, the braking system is inspected. Worn components are replaced. Every part is checked to ensure maximum performance and safety. The suspension system is also serviced. This helps restore the vehicle's original handling characteristics. Now it's time to focus on the engine. The heart of the Lamborghini is carefully inspected. Dust, dirt, and old fluids are removed. Components are cleaned and refreshed. Every detail matters when restoring a high-performance machine. With the mechanical work completed, the interior restoration begins. The cabin is thoroughly cleaned. Seats are restored and conditioned. The dashboard and controls are refreshed. Luxury and performance once again come together inside the vehicle. The headlights and taillights are polished. Exterior trim pieces are restored. Every small detail contributes to the final result. Now the reassembly process begins. Each restored component is installed back onto the car. The body panels fit perfectly into place. The Lamborghini slowly transforms into the masterpiece it once was. After countless hours of work, the project is nearly complete. A final inspection is carried out. Every system is tested. Every surface is polished. Every detail is checked one last time. The moment of truth has arrived. The engine starts. The powerful sound fills the workshop. The restored Lamborghini is finally alive again. Its paint shines brilliantly. Its body looks flawless. Its presence is impossible to ignore. What once looked worn and damaged has become a stunning supercar once more. This transformation proves that with skill, patience, and dedication, even the most neglected vehicles can be restored to greatness. Thank you for watching this Lamborghini restoration journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing car restorations.